Hi everyone, welcome to Twinchie First Tuesday, where each first Tuesday of the month there's an open collab, and I will link the host in the description, as well as she'll probably be, the @ sign in the title. And if you want to follow along, all you have to do is use the hashtag, and that'll be in the description and in the title. So the idea is to just make some Twinchies, which are 2 by 2 inch squares. And I just thought I'd pop on and show you. I had been gifted these stickers several years ago, and I won't name who, but she had a little, like a handmade envelope thing that folded, and had some embellishments and a card and things in it, which I could show you that. But anyway, I thought these especially would be perfect for Twinchies, and even these I could put across them. This one might be a little big, but I might try and work with it. So I tried to match some colors. I pulled out Polished Pink and Fresh Freesia by Stampin' Up! Because I thought the Polished Pink was pretty close. Not exact. This has a little more purple in it. And then I'm pulling in these dies here. I don't know how much I'll use them, but I think I'll definitely use this. And they're out of the dies from the Celebrate with Tags. Used to be a bundle, but I don't know if the dies are still available, because I couldn't find them when I was looking again and found, this. So one of these wasn't available anymore, but this is a really nice die set if you didn't already get it. It has mittens and candles and balloons and a little tag, which I can't use for Twinchies, a snowflake, and a little pocket envelope, and a stitched rectangle as well. So yeah, all those, and also these 2 hearts and this circle. So I'm gonna try and incorporate the 2 hearts in the circle, and if I do any extra, I don't think I'll do any more than this. But if I do, I might bring in the XOXO or something. I don't know. I also have this little sticker book that was in the same gift, which is really cute, but I might have to save that for another time. So anyway, I'll put that aside. Okay, I will be back and show you what I make, and I'll explain them. Thanks. Hi everyone, I'm back, and I used all the stickers on this sheet. And I had one extra piece, so I ended up using one sticker out of this little booklet, which had been gifted at the same time, and it just says Happy Valentine's Day. So these are my little Twinchies. This one I didn't put any extra embellishments on. For this is a strip of polished pink ribbon that somebody sent me something, and it was wrapped in this, so I saved it, and I'm trying to use that because it's loose. Oops, sorry about that. Before I use the rest of the roll that I had. This one, oh, and all these 3, nope, these 2 were already puffy. This one was not, but I used the die from the Celebrate with Tags set bundle I showed earlier. And I just glued this onto the, I know it's a sticker, but I put it onto the heart, the stitched heart. And then I bumped the heart up on dimensionals. Again, the polished pink ribbon, and these gems are from the 2123 in color jewels in the polished pink. I have another pack, but I don't, they might be retired, I think. I'm not sure. This one, I actually had a loose piece of pink. It was a little longer than that, but I cut it back a little and just layered it. This thing, like every second and fourth time, it doesn't cut right, the corner right, so it left me a little bumpy. I wonder if I can, I think I tried to do that before, but just smooth that out a little bit, or maybe a nail file. There, that worked, but it's still a little weird. Anyway, that's it. So polished pink, fresh freesia, and then this. I did not put a sentiment on this because I figure if I put it on a card or something, either of these, I can put a sentiment somewhere on the card. This one, the sticker was just this love strip. And on this, I took the Retired Dainty Diamonds 3D embossing folder on the Fresh Freesia part. I did the heart in polished pink, put the sticker across it, and for this ribbon I used it's called White Glittered Organdy Ribbon 3/8 inch, and it is in the current Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. And I just did a little flaggy thing like I did these, only shorter, coming out the end there. So those are the first 4, and then the last 2 stickers were more red instead of pink and purple. So I went digging through my papers, and I kind of put this on wrong, but I put this paper here has stripes on the other side, but I put it this way. Yeah, oops. I should have done it the other way since it's a square, because then the hearts on the back would be right side up, but oh well. Who's going to look at the back, especially if you glue it onto a card or something? So for this, I had 1 strip of this lace, and I cut it in thirds and just put it on each of these cards, little Twinchies. And then I had to glue that down. And I used this glue. I'm still waiting to see if it's the zig, this point. I'm still waiting to see if it holds well. I think it will, because it's still a little bit blue, so it's still drying. Anyway, and then I did put a little extra glue on the back of this sticker also to hold it down. It was already puffy. And then these hearts on the next 3 that I used are from this Heart Pearls pack, and I used, I believe, oh, on this one I used the frosted ones up here. And on these 2, I use these they're sort of clear with a little milkiness to them. I don't know if you can see that or not. But that's what I did for that one. And I just put 3 little hearts on. And then on this one, I didn't have any more of those stickers, right? So I put a sticker on a heart I punched out with one of the heart punch duos, which I love, from Stampin' Up! And I just used a piece of the braided linen trim again. I used it in my cards on Monday, I think, as well. And I used those same milky hearts, but I colored them with the Real Red Dark Stampin' Blend marker, alcohol marker. And that is it for my Twinchies for the month of February. Twinchie First Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed. Do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments. So I didn't end up using the circle and the small heart from the celebrations tags. I need to put them away, so I'll leave that up here. But I just used this one here, and then 1 heart punch. So since I'm doing lovey stuff most of the month, I'm leaving out my Valentine stuff till the end of the month, and because I have a couple other collabs I'm doing that will also have lovey stuff. So we'll see what I come up with for those. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week and a happy new year, and stay safe and healthy. And I will talk to you again very soon. Bye for now.